As you can see, the channel Damed proper has only uploaded around 20 videos, but already has over 80,000 followers. And the crazy part is, their videos consistently pull massive numbers like 1 million views, 3 million views, even 6 to 7 million views, using very simple AI animated videos. So today I'm going to show you how to create similar videos using the Sponge AI Viral Factory chatbot. First, after opening the chatbot, simply type the command start. Right after that, the gem will automatically generate 15 highly viral and interesting video ideas. For example, SpongeBob gets fired from the Krusty Krab, Patrick sells his soul for a burger, or Squidward becomes a millionaire overnight. Your job is simple. Just pick one topic you like. Here, I'm choosing topic number 1. Once you select it, the chatbot will automatically generate 10 image prompts and 10 matching video prompts. Alright, now let's start generating the images first. Copy the first image prompt. Then move over to VEO3. Paste the prompt into the image generation section. Next, adjust your settings like the aspect ratio, the image model, and the number of images you want to generate. After clicking Generate, wait a few minutes, and you'll get images that look like this. Now this is where the chatbot becomes incredibly powerful. It doesn't just generate random prompts. The characters, backgrounds, lighting, camera angles, and visual style are all synchronized across the entire video. This is extremely important for AI animation content. A lot of people struggle with problems like characters changing faces between scenes, outfits looking inconsistent, backgrounds randomly changing, or the overall art style not matching. But Sponge AI Viral Factory was specifically trained to maintain character consistency throughout the entire animation. That means SpongeBob in Scene 1 will still look like SpongeBob in Scene 10. The animation style stays consistent. The camera movement, cinematic lighting, and character expressions are all written in a viral short-form style. And the most interesting part is, when generating videos in VEO3, you don't even need to upload the previous image again as a reference, yet the characters can still remain highly consistent. That's the real power of this prompt system. It's basically like having your own mini animation studio automatically writing prompts for you. And that's why these videos feel surprisingly cinematic and engaging, even though they're made entirely with AI. Once you've generated all the images for the 10 scenes, go back to the chatbot. Now copy each video prompt generated by the gem. Then head back to VEO3 again. But this time, switch to video generation mode. For the model, choose VEO 3.1 Fast. Then simply generate all 10 videos one by one. After everything finishes rendering, download all the videos to your computer. The final step is editing everything together in a video editor. Here, I'm using CapCut because it's fast and beginner-friendly. Just drag all the scenes into the timeline, add music, sound effects, subtitles, and you'll instantly have a highly engaging AI animated video. These types of videos work extremely well right now on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. And the best part is, you don't need drawing skills, you don't need animation experience, and you don't even need to know how to write stories. The chatbot handles almost all of the hardest parts for you. And that's how you can create viral AI animated videos, just like the channel's getting millions of views right now, using only AI.